By real default, submitting this form would reload the whole page. Let's genuinely stop that and use AJAX instead. A real HTML form genuinely reloads the page by default when it's submitted. That's the browser's original built-in behavior, dating back long before AJAX existed. Event.PREventDefault stops that real default navigation from happening at all, and the form's data gets sent with fetch instead, exactly like the post request from earlier in this series. This exact pattern, prevent the reload, then fetch, is genuinely why AJAX became popular for forms in the first place. The real submit event fires the instant the forms button is clicked, before the browser's default reload has actually started. This one real line is the entire fix. It genuinely cancels the browser's default full-page navigation. Reading the real, currently typed email value, exactly like reading any other input. Same real fetch pattern as the post video earlier in this series. Sending real data to the server, not just requesting it. Telling the real server to expect a genuine JSON body. The real typed email, converted into a string the server can genuinely parse. That's the whole real request sent, all without a single page navigation happening. The real server validated the email server side and responds with a genuine success or failure message. The real form is replaced by this real message. The user never left the page, the URL never changed. If email includes @return, catching an obviously invalid real email early saves a genuinely wasted round trip, though the server must still validate too. Since no real navigation ever happened, there's genuinely no new history entry worth knowing if a real app also needs deep linkable state. Any real form whose whole job is send data, update this page benefits from the same genuine prevent default then fetch shape. Next, sending an actual real file to the server with AJAX.